Hi everyone, hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for your great support. Moving further, here I am back with another part of Pune. Let's not wait anymore. Jumping in quick with much excitement. Stay positive, stay energetic.
The beauty of the day starts before the sunshine. I was glad enough that we started our journey before the sunshine. This makes me happy. This is where I'm very punctual. The flight of the birds, the movement in their wings. What a visual to watch their freedom. What a life to live to the fullest. Now this trip was most excited one with added friends who are so close as family. They are the couple whom we first visited Pune for their marriage. And that's when I saw the beauty of Pune and its utmost locations. That made me come here again and again, which is the third time for now. Moving further, the road was closed where we couldn't move ahead. Hence we got down, clicked some pics, took a U-turn and continued our journey to the destination. I feel like so involved in every moment when I travel around. The word adventure derives me. I just walk out with no season in mind. I just move ahead with no reasons behind. Hope this is really rare. Very few live to the dream of their fullest. To be frank, I have no regrets living this life. Saying this to myself feels like wow. Lohagarh is a part of the Western Ghats. It rises to an elevation of 1033 meters, which is 3389 feet above the sea level, and is located to the southwest of the larger Visapur Fort. The range divides the basins of the Indravani River and Pavana Lake. Lohagarh overlooks the Pavana Reservoir located to the south of the mountain. The hill extends to the northwest of a fortified spur. The four large gates of Lohagarh are still in good condition and reasonably intact. During the monsoon, the top of the fort is covered with mist and clouds and becomes particularly wet with growing moss. That's really worth visiting. The roads and trails leading to the hill are quite slippery at this time of the year, and precautions are necessary to be taken while venturing the routes. To all my existing viewers, thank you for your support. To all the newcomers, please subscribe and do support. Remember this pic. There is an incident that took place. Stay tuned and keep watching. That would be revealed. Once reached the heights of peak, what a pleasant feeling. I could fake a drone shot here, but missed it. I could show you the best visuals here, but missed it. I could have more footage of the top view, but missed it. Reason? I was not available as went down back to the entrance. Stay tuned, that's recorded specially for you. I'm happy at least this gang shot some pictures and few vids which helped editor showing this view.
What's happening here? Well, don't panic. That was my situation that took place in the Lohargarh Fort. Unfortunately, couldn't record, so I acted. Actually, for this pic, I took the sling bag and kept on the hill fort top. After taking the pic, we forgot it and left until we reached the peak. There, someone reminded me and I was like freaking mad. Guess what? Money, purse and every important document of the cars was in it. I was like, what to do? Because in other state, you can't even imagine without the proper documents what could be the situation. That was just like a nightmare. Guess what? Without breakfast, we were capable of reaching up the top slowly, step by step. But when the purse was missing, I was like running madly down. Once I went up to the entrance spot, there I got a call from a gang stating we found the bag. How? The person, the watchman who was there, he found it and he gave it to us. Thankful to God and thankful to him. Thank you so much. And finally, Sudhakar even came down for me to search the bag. I was like, once we found the bag, chalo, let's go back because I didn't shoot the top peak visuals properly. He was like, are you mad or what? Now I'm not gonna climb it. I was like, okay, respecting him, he came to me. I stayed with him and the gang came down and we went through happily. So this was like a bang on masala to this video. Unfortunately couldn't record, so I explained you what actually happened. Hope this happens many times with many of us. We are like travel. We forget some things in lodge, we forget some things in boats, we forget some things in restaurants. That's like, thank God I found it. That's pretty much about this video. Hope you liked it. Not only the visuals, but also history is included. Please support, subscribe, and do comment in your views. Thank you.